I'm not here by choice. I'm legally here. So there is nothing to worry about. And I don't always talk for the gallery. I'm a very serious person, a very serious chairperson of the Party Electoral Commission. So any other unnecessary missiles, unnecessary artillery directed to the Party Electoral Commission is misdirected and being misfired. Otherwise, I am confidently executing my duties, responsibilities, and functions entrusted in me. Because when somebody talks from wherever, and you think, then we shall always answer, we shall do this. No, they are legally defined mechanisms of performing certain duties. But definitely, the party publicity secretary will expound on that. Otherwise, we are here. We have done exemplary work. And by the way, those whom you think are really against, I was here nominating them, and they thanked me. They said, you have done a very good job for mayor, for primary elections, for speaker, for state council, authority. Now, what is it that developed thereafter? So, my fellow Ugandans, you must know an election really has an emotional mood. An emotional mood. And certain developments, certain issues may arise because of the nature of the election. However, the Party Electoral Commission has the capacity to condense all those emotions and then move forward.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.